Ayan, ngarag na naman. So, ito ang aking hotel dito sa ORD. Pakita ko lang yung kanilang bathroom. Yan, no? Kakaloka yung bathroom nila. Ang ganda ng kanilang material, guys. Super marble. Marble ang kanilang sink. Diba? Marble talaga siya. At ayun ako. Wow. Hello, everyone. Yan. Bongga naman. Ito lang. Maganda. Renovated yung bathroom. Pero, pagdating dito sa... Ba't ba't ang dilim naman? Saan ba yung Gilaw di Pitch? Walang Gilaw. Ayun. Yan. Ang bed. O, diba? Kakasyukot naman. Charing. Yan. Yun na naman, ano. Pero malaki siya. So, this is my hotel in ORD. Yan, malaki siya ito. I think I was here like 5 years and a half ago. Pero pagdating dito, mga luma-luma. Tsaka. Tsaka di teach dito. Sa living area niya. Tsaka-tsaka. Tingnan mo ang pangit ng floor. Carpet luma. Anyway, that's fine. And then now, this is the bathroom of this rustic, nice and clean hotel. As you can see, I have a bathrobe. Look at that. Bathrobe, right? First class hello. There. And the mirror, you see the lighting? Very, very nice lighting, as you can see. Diba? Oh, ang ganda ng effect niya. Yan ang aking hotel ngayon. Westin. So, this is the aparador. Very spacious aparador. Wow, look at that. There's ironing board and the plancha. Hello. Very nice. And this is look at the mirror. It's tall. A big mirror. Very good. And have this little, glasses, the ice bucket and everything. So this is my Westin hotel room here. Very, very nice. As you can see, it looks classic. Like, rustic, the brown motif and everything, as you can see. And of course, the TV is LG. Hello. I love LG. And then look at the lamps. The lamps are unique. And then, as you can see here, look at the lamp here. O, diba? Ang taray ng lamp. And then this, and the bed. I will show it to you up close. The bed is made of, my God, it's leather. It's a leather material, the bed. And then the wood is so freaking nice. So nice wood. And of course, it's a king bed. The very king bed. Hello. And of course, we have a love seat here. But I'm alone, so it's a singular seat. Okay, so that's the curtain and everything. So I will show it to you, the totality of my room. That's it. I hope you like it. Okay. O dahil mga inday, pakita ko sa inyo ang aking hotel room for today dito sa area ng New York. So, welcome to my channel. It's a good day. So yan, that's the door of this hotel room. And then, yan, ang kanyang mga little decoration, of course. The cooling and heating system. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, dahil luma. Anyway, this is the aparador again for the uniform and everything. Meron siyang patungan ng tubag. Okay. And look at this. This is a full kitchen. As you can see, meron siyang microwave And the oven over there. Can you believe the cupboards? It's like, this is like a small apartment before. Look at the fridge, my God. It's a freaking big fridge. Look at this. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. See, the coffee maker. At meron siyang, oh my goodness. Ano yan? Washing machine, my gosh. The dining table and the office table, and that's my bag crew. And this is the receiving area, as you can see. O, diba? Kanyang mga design. Pwede na. Welcome to the apartment hotel room. And this is a small TV here in the receiving room. Samsung. Okay, pwede na. And then this is the separate bedroom. Look at this. Meron siyang separate door. O, diba? Taran! So, this is the bedroom. As you can see, queen-size bed lang siya. Pero, yeah. Oo, looks comfortable. And then this now, the curtain. I don't like the curtain. And the separate TV on the bedroom. O, di ba? Vongacious. Spacious talaga. Meron siyang another na cabinet here for more storage. And this is the surprise. This is really a big surprise. Okay, guys? You just wait and see. Okay, ang bathroom, look. Wow! Made of marble siya, di ba? Pero simple lang, it's okay. Pero this is, look at that! Meron siyang jacuzzi! Pero, I don't know, I don't like the colors here. And yeah, this is the whole bathroom. Malaki siya, everything, very spacious. May jacuzzi, so ang shower room ito. Oh my gosh, ang pangit. Pero okay na. Okay na yan. That's fine. Okay. Meron bang ilaw dito? It's like, yeah, the lightings here in the bathroom is not enough, in my opinion. But it's okay. So that's my whole, it's like apartment hotel room here in the New York area. You like it? I love it. Alright guys, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang aking mga collection of hotel rooms because of my work. Yan ang aking mga collectibles. Anyway, for our next vlog again, see you and thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button and also like and share the video. Thank you so much. This is Larmic01 nagsasabi sa inyo na maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.